Howdy. In the previous video, we mentioned the Poisson distribution is a special form of binomial distribution where n is very large, p, the probability of a specific event, is very small. In this video, we'll show you an example of an extreme case when n is very, very large. In fact, n is equal to infinity. In the example, it says if on average 2 cars enter a parking lot per minute, the question is, what is the probability of having 4 or more cars entering the parking lot during any given minute? Let's write down the formula to look at the probability of a specific event in Poisson distribution. So this is equal to mu to the power of x over x factorial multiplied by e to the power of minus mu. From the previous video, we know mu is equal to n times p. In this case, if we divide 1 minute into infinite amount of slices, then n will be equal to infinity. Because we have 2 cars enter the parking lot per minute, the probability of having a car entering the parking lot during this infinitely small duration of time is 2 over infinity. Infinity, they cross out. Therefore, mu is 2. Let's come back to the question here. The question asks, what is the probability of having 4 or more cars entering the parking lot during any given minute? The probability of having 4 or more cars can be written down as 1 minus the probability of having less than 4 cars. Then the probability of having less than 4 cars can be expanded as the probability of having 0 cars plus the probability of having 1 car plus the probability of 2 cars plus the probability of 3 cars. The rest is easy. We'll just plug in the numbers. The probability of having less than 4 cars entering the parking lot per minute is 85.7%, so 0.857. The probability of 4 or more cars entering the parking lot during any given minute is 0.143, which is 14.3%. In the next video, we'll move on to another type of distribution, something I'm pretty sure you've heard before, normal distribution.